Hello, I wanted to share with you the two global collaboration projects that I explored. The first one is through Microsoft, and it's the Skype lessons. So, this is actually something that I have utilized in my classroom. And if you scroll down, there's many ways to utilize Skype in your classroom. And what my class was able to do is we did a mystery Skype. And with the mystery Skype, you can find other classrooms that you want to connect with, and you go back and forth with the classroom and share yes and no answers to questions that they have in order to try to figure out where they are. And what I love about this website is that it has many resources that you can use. And so, what we did with it is we created resources and shared them with the other class that we were mystery Skyping with in order to make sure that our students in both rooms had the same expectations for what was expected during the mystery Skype. I also loved that they had some guidelines and we were able to learn from some other classes what worked well and what didn't. Another global collaboration project that I looked at was through Pen Pal Schools, and they have this project on digital citizenship. And I actually found this through filtering in their website the age group that I wanted to work with and the subject. So this connects students who are ages 10 through 18, so it's a little bit older, and it helps them participate in discussing what digital citizenship looks like in schools across the world. And so what's really cool about Pen Pal Schools is that it gives a bunch of different project options. And students can create their own projects, they can work by themselves, or they can work in teams in order to do this. And I like that it gives the students so much voice and choice, and they're able to collaborate with these communities all over the world. I also like that there are different lessons to help guide these projects, as well as built in assessment tools and standards to align with different curriculums.